this video, I'm going to show you how to download your LinkedIn resume in a PDF file. So the first step is to go to your LinkedIn profile. So basically, if you are not already there, click on me icon and then click on view profile. Then you will find yourself on your own profile and click on the icon on the option more, and there you will have this free option, which is share profile in a message. So you can share a profile with some recruiter in a message on LinkedIn, or you can save it to PDF or build a resume. So by clicking save to PDF, you'll basically save your LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn resume on your desktop.